Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Ocean Maya Royale, an adults-only paradise nestled in the heart of Riviera Maya, Mexico. If you're looking for a romantic getaway or just a peaceful escape from the daily grind, this might just be the spot for you. So, grab your virtual sunglasses, and let's take a tour of this beachfront beauty. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Ocean Maya Royale offers a variety of accommodations designed to make you feel like royalty. The cozy privilege rooms are perfect for couples looking to snuggle up with garden views from their private terrace. If you're feeling a bit more indulgent, the privilege suites offer spacious living areas separate from the bedroom, giving you plenty of room to stretch out and relax. All rooms come equipped with modern amenities like air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and in-room safes. You'll also find LCD TVs with cable channels, perfect for those lazy mornings when you just can't bear to leave the comfort of your bed. One thing to note is that the bathrooms feature showers but no tubs, so if you're a bath enthusiast, you might want to keep that in mind. The rooms have been recently renovated, so you can expect fresh, modern furnishings throughout. And for those of you who are environmentally conscious, you'll be pleased to know that the hotel uses eco-friendly toiletries and cleaning products. It's like sleeping in a fancy treehouse, minus the splinters and plus all the luxury. Now let's talk about food because, let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? Ocean Maya Royale doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. With 5 on-site restaurants, your taste buds are in for a treat. For a romantic dinner, head to the International a la carte restaurant, where you can sample signature dishes from around the world. Feeling like a slice of Italy? The Italian a la carte restaurant overlooks the sea, so you can enjoy your pasta with a side of Caribbean views. If you're in the mood for some Asian flair, check out the restaurant featuring teppanyaki grills. It's dinner and a show all in one. There are also a couple of additional themed restaurants and snack bars near the pools, perfect for grabbing a quick bite between sunbathing sessions. Just remember, most of these fancy spots are open for dinner only, so plan accordingly. And while we're on the subject of planning, you might want to pack a nice outfit or two. While there's no strict dress code mentioned, it's always better to err on the side of upscale casual when dining at these types of resorts. After all, you wouldn't want to show up to a romantic dinner in your pool floaties, would you? Speaking of pools, Ocean Maya Royale has got you covered with not one, but 2 outdoor pools. These aren't your average backyard puddles. We're talking about sprawling oases surrounded by lush tropical landscapes. Picture yourself lounging on a comfortable sunbed, sipping on a colorful cocktail, maybe something with a tiny umbrella in it, while gentle ocean breezes ruffle your hair. Sounds pretty dreamy, right? And if you're more of a beach bum, you're in luck. The resort sits right on a pristine white sandy beach that's perfect for sunbathing, building sandcastles. Yes, adults can do that too. Or taking romantic walks at sunset. For the more adventurous types, there's a dive at Water Sports Center on site where you can try your hand at various water activities. Who knows, you might discover your hidden talent as a scuba diver or a paddleboard pro. Just remember to apply sunscreen generously. Nobody wants to come back from vacation looking like a well-cooked lobster. Now let's talk about activities because lying on the beach all day can get, well, actually, that sounds pretty great. But if you do feel the urge to move, Ocean Maya Royale has plenty to keep you entertained. Tennis enthusiasts can work on their backhand at the on-site court. If you're more into pumping iron, there's a fully equipped fitness center where you can keep up with your workout routine. Or at least pretend to while you secretly watch the beach from the treadmill window. For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the Despacio Spa Center is your go-to spot. Treat yourself to a soothing massage, rejuvenating body wrap, or maybe a mani-pedi to get those toes sandal ready. While the exact details of the spa facilities aren't specified, it's safe to assume there are probably some steamy saunas and bubbly hot tubs waiting for you to melt your stress away. And let's not forget about the entertainment. The resort offers weekly live performances and shows, so you can dance the night away or sit back and enjoy the spectacle. Just don't blame us if you find yourself trying to salsa on the beach the next day. Those Latin rhythms can be infectious. Since Ocean Maya Royale is an adults-only resort, we'll skip the part about kids' clubs and instead focus on why this place is perfect for grown-ups who want to act like kids, but with cocktails. The absence of little ones means a more serene atmosphere throughout the resort. You can lounge by the pool without fear of being splashed by an enthusiastic cannonball, enjoy a quiet dinner without the soundtrack of a toddler tantrum, and sleep in as late as you want without being woken up by the pitter-patter of tiny feet running down the hallway. It's like a time machine that takes you back to your carefree days, but with better taste in wine and less questionable fashion choices. If you do decide to venture beyond the resort, and trust us, with all these amenities it'll be hard, there's plenty to explore in the surrounding area. Just a short drive away, you'll find the Ocean Maya ruins, where you can channel your inner Indiana Jones, minus the boulder chases and snake pits. For a refreshing dip in crystal clear waters, check out Cenote Misterio Maya, a natural sinkhole that's perfect for swimming and snorkeling. And if you're itching for some retail therapy or nightlife, the vibrant town of Playa del Carmen is just a 10-minute drive away. Here, you can haggle for souvenirs, sample local street food, or dance the night away in one of the many beachfront clubs. Just remember to pace yourself. You don't want to sleep through your massage appointment the next day. Now, let's talk about what makes Ocean Maya Royale stand out from the crowd. First off, its adults-only policy creates a tranquil atmosphere that's perfect for couples, honeymooners, or anyone looking to escape the chaos of everyday life. The recently renovated suites offer a fresh, modern feel that blends seamlessly with the tropical surroundings. The variety of dining options means you can travel the world with your taste buds without ever leaving the resort. And let's not forget about the beachfront location. There's something magical about stepping out of your room and onto soft, white sand within minutes. The resort has also been recognized with TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice Award, so you know you're in for a treat. While Ocean Maya Royale doesn't specifically mention conference facilities, it's worth noting that many resorts of this caliber do offer spaces for smaller meetings or events. So if you're thinking of combining business with pleasure, and really, why wouldn't you? It might be worth inquiring about their capabilities. Just imagine giving your quarterly presentation with the sound of waves in the background. It might make those sales figures a little easier to swallow. Let's wrap things up with some guest experience highlights. Many visitors rave about the friendly and attentive staff, who go above and beyond to make each stay special. There are stories of surprise room decorations for anniversaries, personalized cocktails created by talented bartenders, and even impromptu salsa lessons by the pool. One guest mentioned how the chef prepared a special meal to accommodate their dietary restrictions, while another praised the spa therapist for giving them the best massage of their life. It's these little touches that turn a good vacation into an unforgettable one. Of course, no hotel is perfect, and Ocean Maya Royale is no exception. Some guests have mentioned that the food variety could be improved, particularly for longer stays. Others have noted occasional maintenance issues, which is not uncommon in tropical climates. However, the management seems responsive to feedback, addressing concerns promptly and professionally. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.